Well, I've attempted to change my sway bar bushings, but I can't get this bolt off. It looks like the sway bar has been flipping around. This bolt is frozen on the bottom here. It's a 15 millimeter and it's not going to come off easily. And even if I snap the bolt off, I probably need to get two more clamps, actually two for each side. These clamps are about 60 bucks for a set, which I'm not in the mood to pay for this car anymore. And from looking at Frupa Box's video, the fellow in Toronto, he's saying that if I snap this bolt off, it's going to be wedged into the steering member and then I'm going to have to burn it off with acetylene or something. I just don't want to get into this thing that far. Right now I'm in a friend's driveway and I don't really want to spend all weekend trying to fix this. I would like to fix it. I think this is the component that makes noise when I go over road surfaces and bumps, but I don't think I'll succeed in fixing this thing easily unless I order more parts. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.